Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa. For today's video, I decided to create a soft, easy, go-to glam makeup that is perfect for someone that's just getting into makeup, or even if you're a little bit more experienced. Always a good makeup look to go to that looks really pretty and also matches with pretty much any outfits. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you'd like to see how I create this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm taking my bronzer and bronzing up my face. I'm using the Wet n Wild's Color Icon bronzer in What Shady Beaches. And I'm taking my Equal Tools Complexion Buffer brush and starting off with my forehead. I like to kind of tap it into my skin rather than moving it around, just because I don't want my foundation or anything to move, or I just feel like this way it blends a little bit better. And I'm taking this brush. This is the Luxie 239 Precision Shader brush, and this is a brush that I like to use for my nose. That's pretty much all I'm doing to the face right now after adding the bronzer. I'm gonna finish the rest once I do the eyeshadow, just in case I get any fallouts. So to prime the eyes, I'm gonna use the P. Louise base, and this is just, in the shade 01. I'm just gonna apply a small amount on each eye. To buff that out, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush and just blend that out. For today's eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Violet VOSS Flamingo palette, and I believe I just used 3, maybe 4 shadows. So to start off, I'm taking this shade right here, and this is the shade Sunbathe. And I'm going to start off by taking that with a Morphe M518 brush. And this is going to start going into the crease. And I don't want that first shade to be so intense. This is just like a transition color. After we have that first Sunbathe shade down, I'm going to take that same brush, fill it with this shade right here, and this is the shade Popsicle. It's just above the one we just used, and you can see it's just a little bit darker. I'm going to slightly add some product, basically go over the shade we just applied. So after we applied the second shade, I'm just going to take a brush and go over the edges just to blend out any harsh lines. Next thing I'm going to add is this Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Solar Explosion. It's just a gold metallic eyeshadow. I'm going to go straight with the applicator and add this onto the crease, but just taking it halfway. So I'm just trying to get as close to the crease as possible, and then I'll go in with a different brush that's a little bit more precise. Taking an angled brush, and this is by Morphe, and I'm just gonna take some of the product and apply that to the brush. So now I'm just gonna use that to clean up the line a little bit. After applying the liquid glitter eyeshadow, I'm going to take this shimmer shadow, and this is by City Color Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Cheers to Life. And this is just like a copper shimmer shadow. I'm just going to take a little bit of product onto my finger, and I'm going to use that to go over the gold shade that we just applied. So you don't need to add this second shade on top of the gold shadow, but I did want to use this shimmer shadow just because it has more of that orange color. So now same thing, I'm taking the angled brush and I'm just gonna apply the shimmer shadow closer to the crease. So after we have that shimmer shade added to the gold shade, I'm going to take this shade right here, and this is in the shade Sandals, and I'm taking a Smashbox brush. This is just like a fluffier pencil brush, and I'm taking some of that product, and this is going to go onto the outer corner. And slightly bring it closer to the crease, but not too far up like the first shade that we added. After we have that outer corner shade placed and pretty much blended, I'm just going to take the same brush that we used to apply the first two transition shades and lightly blend the edges out. I'm going to take a little bit of that shimmer shade and again go with my finger, and I'm just going to add that to connect the outer and the shimmer shade. So it's not, just so you don't have that harsh line. I went ahead and dusted the powder that I had on my face, and I'm just gonna use the Makeup Revolution Matte Fix setting spray. Spray my face a little bit. And now I'm going in with highlighter, and for highlighter I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive, and I'm going to take that with my Morphe M438 brush and use that to highlight my face. And a little bit on the center. Taking that on my brow bone. After applying highlights, I'm taking this palette by Makeup Revolution, and this is the Isn't It Peachy palette. And this is my second time using this palette, and it's so pretty. I love the tones of the blushes in here. But I'm taking that with, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade right here. This is the shade Hint. This is the more orange shade in the palette. And this palette is actually really pigmented. So I'm gonna dust off quite a bit. And I'm gonna apply that on my forehead. Oh, I just added too much. Okay, I'm gonna apply that on my forehead and my cheeks and under my lips and to the bottom of my nose. I'm taking this black eyeliner. This is by Beauty For Real, and this is in the shade Black Magic. Now that I applied the eyeliner to my waterline, I'm just gonna do I think I'm gonna take Beach Ball and Sandals on that Smashbox pencil brush, and I'm going to smudge that onto the bottom lash line. now I'll just be applying some mascara, and this is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, and this is going on my bottom and top lashes. I also went ahead and applied some strip lashes, and the strip lashes I used are these by Kiss, and this is in the style Muse. The only thing I have left to do is lips. And applying my lips, I'm taking this lip pencil by Jarred Cosmetics in the shade Sugar and Spice. And for lip gloss, I'm taking this one right here, and this is by Dose of Colors, and this is in the shade One and Only, and I think this is like the Mickey Mouse collection from a while ago. But I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips really quickly. And then now applying the lip gloss. So that's pretty much it for the look. I really love how the makeup came out and how the colors really complement each other. This soft glam look is perfect because it complements everyone, and you don't have to do too much blending on the eyeshadows, so it's really quick and easy. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that button and also give this video a like. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.